Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Ngrok on Parrot OS 6. But the process is same on all Parrot security OS versions. First open any web browser, go to internet, Firefox. Now go to Ngrok official website, that is ngrok.com. So first step is we have to sign up. See, we can download directly, but we have to sign up for authentication code. So first, instead of downloading, first sign up for free. Click on here, then provide the details. Then set the password for this account, email. Then click on this checkbox for the acceptance of the license agreement. Then click on sign up. See here, a verification email has been sent to email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Okay, so go to email. See here, I have received email. So we have to click on this email. See, now welcome to screen. We have to just provide these basic details. Select any one of them, then click on development or production, then click on continue. See, once we fill all the details, see in the welcome page we have the options to install Ngrok. Okay, see, first one is this is the installation command and this is the authentication token. Okay, then deploy your application by using this command. Okay, or go to ngrok.com. without registration also we can download. Go to get Ngrok. See here we have the download for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. Okay, commands are same, but here it is not showing authentication code, but here once we sign up, see here we have the authentication code. Okay, that is the only difference. Also see here endpoint information. Okay, so that's why first we have to log in. So go up. See, this command has 4 sections. First it is going to import this key, then it is saving here, then it is updating packages, then it is installing Ngrok. Okay, so copy entire command, right click, copy, open terminal. Before installing this one, you have to verify whether Apache web server is running or not. That is the only prerequisite. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. See, Apache server is installed, but it is not started. So we have to start. If you don't start, okay, if you won't start, I will show you the error and problem. Okay, we will see later how to start and stop, and what will happen if you don't start this one. Hit enter. See, this is the Ngrok version 3.19. It is done. Now we have to authenticate. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. See, auth token, save it to the configuration file. See, this is the configuration file and it is .yaml. If you type less-ltrh, you won't find, but if you type less-larth, see, it is there in this location. Go to this location, go to conf ngrok ls. See here we have the authentication token information. Okay, next we have to now give the Ngrok HTTP 80, and we are starting endpoint. Hit enter. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Click on visit site. See, we got the page successfully. Okay. Now we will create sample HTML file. Okay. Open new tab, new terminal, sorry. Go to cd where www ls cd html ls. Now create a file. So now create HTML file. Sudo vi dch.html. Now get the sample HTML file. Copy it, paste it, save the file. Now go to this page. At the end, give the / dch, give that HTML file name. See, the problem is, see, we haven't received any output because the problem is this file doesn't contain any display, anything to display on the web page. So I'm going to copy this example. Sudo vi dch.html, remove all the lines, press dd. Okay, press I to insert mode, paste it, save the file. Now go to here, run, then reload the page. See, we got the output. Okay, see whatever is there here. Okay, but if you stop Apache web server, this won't work. Sudo systemctl stop Apache 2. Now reload this page. See, we got there. Okay, so Apache server must always be up. Hit enter, reload. See, we got the page. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install or set up Ngrok on Parrot OS. For more videos, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.